The Date and Time API, Java.time. Java 8's modern replacement for the old date and calendar classes. We'll see why it exists, the core types, how to create, change, and compare dates, the difference between duration and period, and finally formatting, parsing, and time zones. In one line, Java.time is a modern, immutable, thread-safe date and time API. Every type means exactly one thing, and every change returns a brand new object instead of mutating the original. Today plus 30 days gives you a new date. Today itself is untouched. Why did we need it? The old API was a minefield. New date with 2026 actually meant the year 3926, and months were zero based, so 6 meant July. Worse, date and calendar were mutable and not thread safe, which caused subtle bugs. Java.time gives you a type for exactly what you mean. Local date is a date with no time. Local time is a time with no date. Local date time is both together. An instant is a machine timestamp in UTC. There's also zone date time when you need a time zone. You create them three ways. Now, for the current moment of for a specific value, here the 20th of June 2026, and parse to read one from an ISO string. The same three methods work across all the types. Because they're immutable, every change returns a new object. Plus days 7 gives a new date a week later, and minus months 1 gives the previous month, while the original today is completely unchanged. That's exactly what makes them safe to share across threads. You can ask questions about a date. Is after and is before, compare them. Get day of week tells you it's a Saturday. Get month gives June, and is leap year checks the year. Clear, readable, and no surprises. Two ways to measure a span. Period is date based, years, months, and days. Period between today and the due date is 30 days, shown as P30D. Duration is time based, hours, minutes, seconds. And chrono unit dot days dot between gives you the exact count as a plain number. To convert to and from text, build a date-time formatter with a pattern. DD MMM formats today as 20 June 2026, and the very same formatter passes that string straight back into a local date. Finally, time zones. An instant is a moment in UTC. Attach a zone ID, say Asia Kolkata, and you get a zone date time, the local wall clock time. And with zone same instant converts that same moment into another zone like New York. Quick recap. Java.time is immutable, thread safe, and clear. Use local date, local date time, instant, and zone date time. Create with now, off, or parse. Change with plus days and friends, which return new objects. Period for date spans, duration for time spans, date time formatter for text, and zoneade for zones. Now make it stick. Take the topic test and climb the leaderboard. The link is in the description below. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one on one connect.